Updating a brother printer, or all-in-one, and downloaded a BFU file? This is a firmware update file used by brother devices for installing updated firmware. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to apply these updates. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure BFU formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. A BFU file contains firmware data used to update the internal software of brother devices, such as printers, scanners, and multifunction centers. Users encounter this file when downloading updates from the official brother support website to fix bugs, improve performance, or add new features to their hardware. This is a proprietary binary file structured as a compressed and often encrypted package. This design ensures the integrity and authenticity of the firmware, preventing unauthorized modifications or the installation of malicious code. The device's bootloader is designed to unpack and validate the specific format before flashing it to memory. The official utility recommended for the BFU file is Brother Firmware Update Tool by Brother Industries. Windows needs confirmation from specialized software for safe data access. Windows cannot unpack or interpret firmware binaries, so proper access requires dedicated programs. Let's find the specific program that reads the file structure. Right-click the BFU file and select Open With. Test Brother Firmware Update Tool if it appears. If not, choose another application. One of them is the right match. If your BFU file will not open yet, do not panic. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, identifying the device. Verify the BFU file matches your specific brother device model by checking the brother support website. Installing firmware intended for a different model can damage the device or render it inoperable, so model verification is critical before proceeding with any firmware update. Next, running the update. Connect the brother device to your computer via USB or network and launch the Brother Firmware Update tool. Select the BFU file when prompted, and follow the on-screen instructions, ensuring the device remains powered and connected throughout the entire update process. Finally, verifying the update. After the update completes, the device automatically reboots and displays the new firmware version on its control panel or in its web interface. Print a configuration page or check device settings to confirm the update was applied successfully before resuming normal printing or scanning operations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.